MPN. This is Jackie Van Ham here with this 1921 Harley-Davidson board track racer, and it's your ride of the week. Hey, Michael Lange, thank you so much for taking the time to chat with us about this excellent 1921 Harley-Davidson.
Thank you. This 1921 Harley-Davidson Banjo 2 Cam I built in 1996. I took being as a Banjo 2 Cam is such of an extremely rare engine. There wasn't much chance of me ever finding an original one. So I rebuilt a couple of them for customers, and in 1996 I took a single cam Harley and I turned it into a Banjo 2 Cam, made my own cams, all the gears, the oil pumps, right hand crankcase. I then made the frame, hand formed the gas tanks and oil tank, and I've been racing this bike since 1996, and I was just down in Daytona at Sons of Speed and ended up taking 3 wins on this bike, and for the weekend, and one on the 1925 factory Harley-Davidson racer. This bike, it just fits me so well. It is very fast. We were doing about 90-95 miles an hour on a high bank paved oval. It is a thrill. It has just tons of power, and I just love riding this thing.
I bet you do. So I have to tell our MPN viewers, we've met through this race series that you were just at called Sons of Speed. It is usually an annual race. However, in COVID times, it all went sideways, but that's a whole other story. But I was so shocked by how fast a motorcycle that's 100 years old can go. I don't know if it's just me or if it's a normal mindset, but I never realized that these bikes go 100 miles per hour.
Well, Otto Walker in 1921 set a world record of 104 miles an hour, average 104 miles an hour in a 25-mile race. So, you know, these bikes are capable of very high speeds. It's literally an engine with a frame and a pair of wheels. It's like a bicycle with a hot rod engine in it.
Yeah.
So, you know, there's not a lot of weight here, and the power to weight ratio is great. It comes alive. It really comes alive. With COVID, we didn't have Sons of Speed last year or any of the races that I normally get to go to, and I was not able to be on this for almost 2 years.
Yeah.
And when I took it out for the first time in practice for Sons of Speed, I actually came in and in my mind I said, "Holy crap! This thing is fast." You know, so it took me a little bit to get acclimated to it again, but you know, like an old pair of shoes, it just fit fine, and I had a great day.
Awesome. Well, congratulations on your excellent race weekend with Sons of Speed.
Thanks.
Thank you so much for talking us through and having the chance to show us this wonderful 1921 Harley-Davidson board track racer, and it is our ride of the week.